On question 6, we have 10 raised to the x is equal to 25, and they want us to find the exact solution of the exponential equation in terms of logarithms, and then find the decimal approximation rounded to 6 decimal places. So on the other questions, because this looks very similar to our other questions that we've been doing, we tried to get the same base, and that's not always possible. So I have 10 raised to the x here. There's no way that I can express 25 as 10 raised to some number, at least not a nice number. So these are not the same base, but also we can't express them as the same base. So my technique here is to actually take the log of both sides. So I want to take the log, or logarithm, of both sides. So I have log of 10 raised to the x is equal to log of 25. And the advantage to doing this is that if you remember back to our rules of logarithms, we're allowed to bring down exponents. So only if there's a logarithm there are we allowed to bring down this exponent. And then we are solving for x. So log of 10, that's just a number. So I can divide both sides by log of 10. So x is equal to log of 25 over log of 10. And that'll be our answer. Like for part A, where it says find the exact solution, this is the exact. If you type this into your calculator, so if you type in the calculator, log of 25, close parentheses, divided by log of 10, and they want 6 decimal places, so this should give you 1.397940. So this would be your decimal approximation. So they want both answers here.